Students, today we will study the midpoint formula in the straight line. Today we will study midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is what? That is coordinate of x1, y1 it is given, x2, y2 it is given, it is b, and b is x5, and we have to find out the value of x is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now we will take one question on that, that is saying the midpoint, question I am saying the midpoint of 2a minus 4 and minus 2b is 1 and 2a plus 1. Find the value, find a and b. Okay, in midpoint what it is? x1 plus x2, that is minus 2a. या इसकी फोटो मैंने पहले आपको बना के दिखाएंगे, पहले फोटो बनाता हूँ, फोटो से थोड़ा आसान लगेगा. a हमारे पास है, दिस इज 2a 4, b we are having minus 2b, okay, and we are having the midpoint p is 1 and 2a plus 1. This is midpoint. If it is midpoint, then 1 equals to x part of that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. These two can be multiplied here. That is 2a minus 2. And 2a equals to, we will move 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And a equals to 2. One we have found. Another is if it is 2a plus 1 equals to 4 plus 2b upon 2, you multiply here, 4 cancel here, it will be 2a plus 1 equals to 2 plus b. Okay, what is the value of a? A is 2, that is 4 plus 1, this is minus 2 here, equals to b, and 5 minus 2 is 3, and b equals to 3. We have to, if we will do like this is the question based on the midpoint formula. Just like I am taking the question, the center of a circle, the center of a circle is C minus 1 6 and 1 end of a diameter is a 5 9. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of diameter of the other end. Okay, and what we are given, see what it is. First we will make the photo. This is center of the circle is given minus 1 and 6. A line is drawn like this. End point is given. One end point is given to us is 5 9. Another is let we have considered that it is x and y. Now we can say the center is the midpoint of the diameter. Okay, because radius is equal on both sides. Then x plus 5 upon 2 equals to minus 1. It implies x plus 5 equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 7. And y plus 9 upon 2 equals to 6. And y equals to 12 minus 9, that is y equals to 3. these are the questions based on the midpoint formula. Okay, some of the questions are there. Now I will consider one more question. One more question we want to solve here. It is the question is 3 consecutive vertices of the triangle are given. So quadrilateral. Question we are taking 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram ABCD parallelogram है with R. A is given 10 minus 6. B is given 2 minus 6 and C is given minus 4 minus 2. Find the fourth vertex. Find the fourth vertex. हम लोगों ने फोर्थ वर्टेक्स फाइंड आउट करना है. व्हाट टू डू इन द पैरेललोग्राम. देखो एक पैरेललोग्राम मैं बना रहा हूँ. पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टी में क्या आएगा? डायगोनल्स ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. अब बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो हमारे पास मिड पॉइंट दोनों का सेम रहेगा. हम कह रहे हैं 3 consecutive are given A B C D. D को हमने माना x 5 and it is 10 minus 6. It is 2 minus 6. It is minus 4 minus 2 and we have considered D as x 5. Now midpoint let it be the O. Coordinate of O हमारे पास क्या आएंगे? From AC निकालेंगे. midpoint of AC is 10 plus x की वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी 10 plus midpoint of AC निकालते हैं 10 minus 4 upon 2 and y is minus 6 minus 2 upon 2. It will be 6 upon 2 is 3. It is 8 minus 4. Okay, and from BD midpoint of BD. पीने वाली बीड़ी नहीं है. ठीक है ना. कभी कई का दिमाग वहीं जाता है कि पीने वाली ही होगी बीड़ी. देखो यहाँ पर हमारे पास 2 plus x that is x plus 2 upon 2 and another is y minus 6 upon 2. ठीक है. ये दो मिड पॉइंट हमारे पास है. दोनों मिड पॉइंट सेम है तो हमारे पास क्या होगा? x upon 2 equals to 3. From here x plus 2 equals to 6 and x equals to 4. And from here y minus 6 upon 2 equals to how much? Minus 4. And y equals to minus 8 plus 6. Y equals to minus 2. We got the value of x and y. Then that's all for today. Have a nice day.